To create text, phrases and shortcuts on the Samsung S26 Ultra, you can easily do that by opening the settings, scroll all the way down for general management, and right now go to the Samsung keyboard settings. Now you have to go below into the text shortcuts. So now there's short example how it looks, and you have to click on the plus. You have to input that shortcut. So I'm gonna input, for example, mail phrase, and the expanded shortcut, it will be HowToDevices channel, oh my god, channel to gmail.com, and we have to click add. So there's the shortcut, and right now if I'm gonna go for my notes and input that phrase, take a look how it works, mail, and I've got this suggestions over here. I'm tapping and it's already here.